welcome back to Merseybeat Gardening, right here in the heart of Liverpool, in the shadow of World War III. Yeah, literally. Yeah, but we're not going to talk about that. We're here today. We've had a storm over the last week or so. Three storms coming in, one after the other, bang, 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 like that. So this is the first opportunity we've had to get down to the plot today and to have a look around, to check it out. And what I think I'll do, I'll give you a little tour of the plot, see where we are up to in the advent to spring, which will be with us in about 3 weeks time. We'll be into the second week of March, so it'll be all go then. So we'll see where we're up to now with our winter jobs. I hope you've been keeping up with your winter jobs on your plot, and you've been getting on with things. Everything's fine and dandy after the storms, wherever you are. I hope you've not been too battered. I've seen some horrendous photos on Instagram of greenhouses that have been absolutely wrecked with the winds and stuff. Here we've got off quite lightly. There's one or two panes that have suffered, but nothing's missing. It's the greenhouse is all in one piece, more or less. It's been a bit battered around, but it's done well. I think these trellises at the sides here have helped with the panes and the wind, buffering the winds, and it keeps them in because they're anchored into the ground, so hopefully the greenhouse doesn't go flying off. So yeah, I hope you've held up and you're getting ready for your spring sowings and stuff. So let's go for a little tour of the plots and see how we get on.
I'm looking at your handiwork here and just doing a documented record for posterity. Posterity? That's as much presidential as unprecedented.
That's enough.
It's looking better though, Phil.
It is.
You've done a cracking job there. No, it is. It's much better than it was. It was an eyesore before.
It certainly was.
More organised.
It's good now, isn't it? So in the greenhouse here, there's it's mostly okay, apart from this panel that's been pushed out here by the wind. So we're going to have to secure that in before we leave. But everything else is fine. It's not bad considering we've had nearly 80-mile-an-hour winds here in Liverpool. Look, you can see the chipping on the path. It's looking good. So, several reasons to put chipping down, renew your paths, is to stop them from getting muddy and to suppress weeds. And there's a number of ways you can do this. You can just put it down on top of what's already there, or you can actually lay cardboard on it. And as we've done here, you see the cardboard peeking through here in places, and that's as a useful weed suppressant. So it looks nice as well, doesn't it? One thing we haven't got round to at the moment is the ponds. You see there's still leaves in there that need fishing out and just clearing out the ponds, taking some of that duckweed off, stuff like that. This time last year there was frog spawn. I can't see any frog spawn this year. Maybe it's too early. So that's a little job that we need to get onto this week. Now we've got some settled weather, reasonably settled weather. Just clear these ponds out. Yeah, so another thing, we've got to clear a lot of these beds and get them ready for springtime crops. Here we've got some Welsh onions and some spring onions. There's a row of spring onions here. We need to uproot them and bunch them, put them in an area really just for spring onions. So we'll clear all these weeds out, get these crop ready. Yeah, another thing is these need clearing, getting ready for new crops. See, the pigeons have ate the kale that came through the top there, well, at least they made use of it. And this back area needs sorting. Compost bins need emptying and using up the compost at the bottom of the bins here, which well rotted, and putting everything back. So we need to do that. Catherine's just come now with some chipping, some more chipping. So where are you going to put that?
Well, we're doing these paths here, aren't we?
Yeah.
At the side.
And
you lay in cardboard, and then I'll get the chipping on.
Yeah.
Oh, little Gigi passed.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, I've just been talking to Libby. Oh, sorry, is that running?
Yeah.
Oh, he's 19. Well, he would have been 19 this year. Gigi is one of our allotment doggies. He's a lovely boy. But he passed away mid-January.
Oh, that's sad.
Yeah, it's old age.
Yeah. Gigi.
So, I'll contact Flavia tonight.
Yeah, okay. Right.
So here.
Yeah.
And have we got more for along here?
Yeah.
I think I'm going to clear some of that grass first.
Okay then.
And then lay.
Right.
Lay. Welcome back to Merseybeak Gardening on a beautiful sunny day.
Well,
It was. Oh, you can't see.
You see what I mean? It was sunny when we started this vlog.
Look at it now.
And now
can you see that?
The rain's
coming.
Can you see it? So I hope you liked that little tour for what it was.
Have you given the people a tour?
A little tour.
Oh, nice.
When you were doing the chipping.
Yeah.
Well, you saw me.
Oh yeah, that's right. Sorry.
And we're just about to finish off the pot.
Just soaked as well.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
This weather.
Oh.
But you'll be happy when spring comes.
Yeah. February's been really prolonged, and it's one of the shortest months.
Yeah.
But it's gone on forever. These 3 storms together.
Yeah.
Have been really unprecedented.
Haven't they? Unprecedented.
Not presidential.
I was telling our one viewer.
Hello, one viewer. How are you? I hope you're indoors. By a nice open fire, logs on, nice cup of tea, slippers on, and whatever you want to do. Lovely, best thing ever. You don't want to be out here in this.
I was telling our one viewer about World War III.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What about it?
But we're going to start videos, aren't we, on World War III?
No, I'm not.
Wartime advice?
No.
From the allotment gardens.
I'm not. You might have to consult Mr. Middleton on that.
I think Mr. Middleton needs to get on board, doesn't he? I think we need to annex Mr.
Rally
Middleton's
the troops
house
and rally the troops round.
Rally the troops.
Yeah.
and get allotment here in.
And plan our strategy.
Yeah, to keep ourselves fed over this Third World War.
Well, I tell you what, if things get really bad,
Yeah,
we'll be expecting more than blackouts,
we will.
won't we?
Yeah.
And yeah,
We might even get black tomatoes and stuff like that.
yeah. Who knows? All the way from Russia.
Couldn't imagine that, could you?
From Russia with love.
Hey?
So I omit that word love at the end, actually.
No. Anyway,
But,
I hope you've enjoyed that little video, that little tour of the plots, and the rain's...
I think it's slightly gone off.
it stopped
now.
So we can finish it off a bit.
So we can get on with some stuff. Yeah.
If you have, thank you very much. And
nice to see you.
nice to see you.
To see you nice.
And we'll see you in our next
And don't forget your Brucey bonus.
video vlog.
What's a Brucey bonus?
I don't know. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Freedom for the Ukraine.
Should have tucked your shirt in there, lad.
Freedom for the Ukraine.
Look at this.